Hey guys, James here, back with another video, and today I have an unboxing and quick look at this. This is a charging dock for the Apple Pencil. It's by a brand, company called Oittm. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but essentially it's just a small, simple charging base stand for your Apple Pencil. Now, if you follow my channel, one of my more popular videos I did was for charging extension cable for the Apple Pencil. Now, little did I know when I made that video that they actually come with the piggyback inside the Apple Pencil box. I didn't know that at the time. But for example, you know, if you sit at your desk a lot, just having this on your desk is going to be handy because you don't have to worry about charging, you know, finding that cable and stuff like that. You just leave this here, just plug it in whenever you need, and you know, every time that you sit at your desk and you're not using your pencil, you know, it's fully charged. You don't have to worry about it. Now given that, you know, it is pretty quick to charge an Apple Pencil from your iPad. I have had a lot of comments on the previous video saying that it takes only like 10-15 minutes, but you know, that's 10-15 minutes that is not plugged into your iPad, where it, you know, you drop it and then the thing snaps, or you know, not having to find that cable and slowly charge it. So this is on Amazon currently. This is from the Australian store. It's selling for about 35 to 40 Australian dollars, including shipping, around that figure, but I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to go get this for yourself, and using that link does help me out a bit. Let's get straight into the unboxing and we'll see how we go. So just some information here. So the material is aluminium alloy plus wood. The color is silver. That's the size, and that's the input and outputs. There we go. All right. Wow, it's quite heavy, and I like that because it makes like a staple piece on your desk. I really do like that. So this is the base itself. We have instructions for the charging dock. Red light indicates the power connected and the charging status. Green light indicates it's fully charged. Connect the Apple Pencil, or insert the lightning cable into the port at the back, and connect the Apple Pencil into the top charging port. You can see there's a pencil stand, so when you're not using it, you can use it, or for example, for the cap at least. The charging port, this is the up cover. I'm not sure why they call it a cover, since it can't come off. LED indicator, and the bottom cover, which I'm not sure why, because they can't come off, and the input port at the back. Very simple. You have a warranty guide. Want a 3-year replacement service for free. I'm not sure. You have to probably look at the terms and conditions about that. But yeah, 3-year replacement service for free. Interesting. So this is all metal, which is fantastic. I love that. The charging port at the top, you have the slot for the cap, which I'll show you how to use later. This is a plasticky wood, and this is a full rubber, which is great. Means, you know, it's not going to move. You can see it does have some of the specs around there, as you can see here, but all metal, input, charging port, and the LED indicator. Very simple. So how you do it is essentially you could hold it like this. So I'll show it from this camera now. You could hold the pencil like that when you're not using it. Alternatively, you grab the cap off, put it like so, and you plug it in, and then it is charging now. Very, very simple. So let's grab a cable, lightning cable here. So I'm just gonna plug this in like so. You can see it click. It does lock pretty well, actually. That's pretty good, actually. It does lock. Okay, so it locks like so, and as you can see, it's got the red, and it is charging like so. So you can just leave that on your desk, and it's not gonna bother you at all. You can see when I take it off, it turns green, and then if I was to plug it in again, it starts charging. I think it's great. This is a great product. I love the weight. I love the design. It's great. It suits most desks. However, you would have to ask, you know, if this is your color scheme. For example, if you've got a black setup, then you might not work. But I think most people who have an Apple Pencil, especially because it's white, it should work for your setup. Very simple. And then when you finish, you can chuck it on the stand like so. There you go. Now, you have to decide whether you want to fork out, you know, $35 to $50 for this product. You have to decide whether it's worth to you. But I can tell you, for the product itself and how it works, it's great. It has all what it needs to have. It has the rubber stand, has a good connector which doesn't come loose very easily. It has a place where you can fit your cap so you don't lose it, and it's got a very simple on charging and fully charged indicator that's nice and bright, and it's got a good weight to it and high quality. So I can't say more about that. Very good product. I highly recommend that you go get this if this is something that you want to get. But yeah, hope you liked this video. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular product or anything else, and I'll try and get around to answer this for you as soon as I can. I will leave a link in the description below if you do want to go ahead and buy this. It does give me a small kickback and help me out. So yeah, really appreciate all your support. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.